The final guideline is guideline B 4.4 for coronary arteries. The guideline states that the coronary arteries are classified as a single body part that is further specified by number of sites treated and not by name or number of arteries. Separate body part values are used to specify the number of sites treated when the same procedure is performed on multiple sites in the coronary artery. So I have two examples here. One has two codes and one just has one code. So let's look at the difference here. The example number one is an angioplasty of two distinct coronary arteries with placement of two stents percutaneous is coded as dilation of coronary artery, two arteries with two intraluminal devices. Because they were treated with the same type of devices, here, E, that's why they're coded as one. In example 2, we have, again, two distinct coronary arteries, but one has a stent placed and one it doesn't have a stent placed. So that's why we have two codes here. And again, the only difference between these two codes is the device here, D or Z. So let's go ahead to the 3M encoder and look how you would code all three of these. So we start with the word dilation, artery, coronary. In example 1, two coronaries, arteries, so it will be 0271. And then the approach is going to be percutaneous. The device is intraluminal device 2, and there's no qualifier. For the second two, it's angioplasty of two distinct coronary arteries, one with stent placed and one without. So again, we're going to start with dilation, artery, coronary, 0270. The approach is percutaneous. The device is D, intraluminal device, and the qualifier is Z. And the difference with these is, again, it's just that device. So the final one is dilation, artery, coronary, 1. Again, it's percutaneous. There's no device on this one and no qualifier. So you're going to get two codes for the second example, which is, and we'll go back and we'll go over those. So again, the first example had two distinct arteries with two stents. So because that device is the same for both, you can code this as one code. This, because the devices are different, one has a stent and one does not, we have this code separately, which is going to be 02703DZ. And again, the only difference is the D, the device. D for device is for the stent, and Z for no device is because there was without. So those are the two codes you need for this. And that's what this guideline is specifying, that if the device is different, you have to code them separately or have multiple codes.